Hello and welcome to Music Energetics. My name is Paul Grout. In this recording, I will guide you through an 8-minute meditation to help you release from stress, anxiety, and worry. Okay, right now, this is your time to relax and heal. So find yourself a quiet, private space. Sit or lie down comfortably in a position where you can relax. Drop your jaw, relax your shoulders, arms, legs, and feet. Lie the back of your hands onto your thighs or on the floor if you are lying down. Now open your hands facing upwards as if to receive from the universe. Now gently connect your first finger and thumbs together for both hands and maintain this finger and thumb connection to help you feel more balanced. Now place your attention onto your breathing. As you breathe inwards, inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Breathe deeply into your stomach, and whilst you breathe into your belly, allow your lungs and chest to also rise. When breathing outwards, allow your belly to gently fall first, followed by your chest. Exhale your complete breath each time. Breathe in and out in a slow, calm rhythm. That's right. Now, with every breath you exhale, allow any feelings of worry or anxiety to release into the air and out into the universe. If any emotions arise at any time, know that you are where you're supposed to be right now. Now breathe in the energy of strength through every cell of your body. Breathe out the energy of worry, stress, and anxiety. That's right. Breathe in the energy of strength. Breathe out the energy of worry. Breathe in the energy of strength. Breathe out the energy of worry. Remember, this is your time to heal. Breathe in the energy of strength. Breathe out the energy of worry. Breathe in the energy of strength. Breathe out the energy of worry. Now continue this breathing. If your mind wanders anytime, just return your attention to your breathing. You are strong, calm, and relaxed. Now, at the end of the count of 5, you will feel alert, refreshed, and calm. 1. Slowly open your eyes. 2. Become more aware of your surroundings and environment. 3. Wiggle your fingers and toes. 4. Move your arms and legs slowly. 5. Awake, feeling alert, refreshed, and stronger within.